Share your experience about the product.
Well, I got this platform from Manafet about a year ago. This is for my son. He's in a wheelchair, and we needed him to be able to get in the car easily. And this is so far the best product I've found on the market. Installed by very professional guys. And this is actually they have just moved it from my other car to this new car, so that we can still enjoy it for many more years. Very strong and very convenient. So I'm very happy with it.